up, everybody? It is China Lavish and I am back with another video. As you can see, my background is a little different. Don't get used to it. This is going to be temporary. This is not going to be my background. This is just something that I'm working with for now. But before I get into this video, make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I finally got a camera. Honestly, I've been having it for like 2 weeks now. It's still in the box. We finna be recording every day. Not every day. Let me stop. Let me not lie to y'all. I am aiming to film at least 2 videos a week. That is my goal, to do 2 videos a week. So yeah, let's get into it. So I got this camera bundle from Amazon. I spent about, I want to say like $600 or something on all this stuff. Everything did not come with this bundle. I haven't even opened none of this stuff. It's this cute like little bag, I guess, for to put your camera and like send your SD cards and stuff like that in. It's actually a cute little carrying case. It got a little strap in it. So it came with this. It came with this flexible tripod. This is gonna be real good for vlogging. I really don't like that it's red and black, but whatever, this is the color that it came with. It also came with another tripod. So it came with 2 tripods. One for vlogging, I'm assuming, and then this one, I guess, for vlogging. I don't really know. This is what it looks like. It extends, you know, whatever. A 32 gigabyte SD card, which is nice because I don't have to use my phone no more. Like, I'm tired of recording on my phone. I'm tired of using up the memory. And honestly, I just want some better quality videos for y'all. I don't know what this is. It says it comes with a cleaning cloth, screen protectors, cleaning spray, a mini laptop tripod, and some cotton wipes. It also came with like a little strap, I guess, that you put on the side of the camera. This dust blower. It came with a lot of stuff. Like a little flash drive, which is also nice. It came with this little pen, but I'm not really sure what it do. What is this? What is that? Bitch, is this a makeup brush? What is this? I guess it's the dust off your... Bitch, I don't know. I don't fucking know. Of course, it came with a charger, HDMI cord, the extra battery. I didn't realize that the package, the bundle came with screen protectors. So I went ahead and bought some anyway. But so I ordered a silicone kind of like protector for my camera because Lord knows I'm clumsy and I drop everything and I don't want to ruin this camera, so I thought it'd be better to get like a little case for it. Let me put the SD card in, which I don't even know the name. Canon G7x. I haven't started recording yet, but this is just what it looks like. It has a flip up screen so I can see myself. Like, that's gonna be awesome for vlogging. Ooh. I just took a picture. How the fuck I record? Okay, bitch. I don't even know how to... Oh, okay, hit the button. I think I put... Okay. So now the case and the screen protector is on. I actually like the fact that I can keep the case on and still record, and this flap don't block the lens at all. So it's official, y'all. I'm official. This camera quality. I obviously need to watch tutorials on the tips and tricks to this camera. Is it recording? It is. Okay. So y'all, I just turned it on. The quality though, like, oh my god, it's amazing. Like, look at this. I am really going to enjoy this camera, y'all. Like, I am really going to enjoy it. Like, but yeah. I'm gonna be feeling myself way too much. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let's give this video a thumbs up for better video quality, okay? Better video quality, because this iPhone was just not doing it for me no more. It just wasn't. So now we are official. So yeah, I am going to close it out. Like I said, I'm going to record another video after this, so make sure you tune into that as well. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we are